Hi, here I am again, as always, out of the blue, and it's a very long-awaited video. It's a very unexpected video, if you can say so. It's summer now. I didn't have any classes for at least 2 months, and I just have a whole life ahead of me, and here I'm gonna protect it. I didn't procrastinate like for last 3 or 4 days. I do not even remember the amount of days because I was only watching TV shows, listening to the podcasts, and playing Sims all day long. So now there are some productive days coming. I have meeting with my groupmates. We are going to the countryside and we're having a party there, and the next day I have to be on a cosplay festival. I won't be properly cosplaying, like I will be Max from Stranger Things, but it's easy thing, just do the braids and pick up some a vintage tape player and some headphones. That's it. But my brother is doing some hardcore Star Wars makeup, and I will have to do that because he is not able to. This day I'm just wandering around my kind of empty now room without all like my jars and shit. Only because we are getting our whole Windows system reinstalled, and this is gonna be a mess. There will be dust and etc. So I'm cleaning out everything. We're putting everything in separate rooms, and it's crazy, yeah. So see you tomorrow when the fun begins. Not me again using a paintbrush instead of a hair clip. It's artsy. I can. I finally got out of the house. I have some plans to do in the city. Like I have to go several shops, and then today is allowed to go. Oh, I didn't know. Okay, I have to go to several shops. But then actually I have to get a train and go to my friends. Я уже. That's okay.
Туда откройте немножко.
Нет, мы только снимать и можем.
Ну да.
Да, вот это здание,
Стась, танцуй.
глобус стеклянный и орел.
Танцуй.
Нет, я не могу с Натей сделать эти вот джаз-ладошки. Это неудобно.
Дай. И танцуй.
Bist alleine in Wien, oh Wien, oh Wien, oh Wien, oh
Так, Катя, это твой первый вокал. Да. Катя и Костя, просто еще...
Все в моем блоге, все.
Я вообще не переживаю, то есть как себя вести, мне абсолютно спокойно, я могу быть собой рядом с вами. Поэтому я вас очень сильно люблю, и я настолько рада, что вы вот почти мы полным составом здесь, я просто вот очень счастлива.
Спасибо!
Да. Всех любят.
keine Wände, bleib weiß als Aufkreis in meinem eigenen Berlin. Und keine Tage.
Шла была девочка, золотистые косы, длила огонь небо, солнце и грозы. Я знаю пароль, я вижу ориентир. Я верю только в это, любовь спасет мир. Знаешь ли ты, вдоль лесных дорог шла босиком, не жалея ног, сердце его теперь в твоих руках, не потеряй его и не сломай. Помни, нести вдоль лесных дорог, что его любви разбив, но не в кровь, пусть его теперь в твоих руках, не потеряй его и не сломай.
Berlin, 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 Berlin.
Вот этот кринжовый раздел с вашими любимыми преподавателями и их лучшими цитатами. Собственно, наших учителя.
Тебе нужен контент для влога. Фоткается с кем-то. Звезда была рождена. Yeah, finally I can sleep a little bit. And tomorrow I'll have a huge rate on second hands. Everything's a mess. We're redoing all the household. Crazy as shit. Here I am sleeping on the floor again because the whole house is a mess. So yeah, my room is a disaster, and for a couple of days I will be sleeping in this mode.
Empty bottles everywhere, people sleeping on the stairs. Got something stuck in my hair, my hair got there. This is the morning after the house is sunny.
Okay, so for the last day I've been living basically off this single backpack because everything is a mess. I do not have access to my clothes, to my things, and I've been sleeping on the floor in a kitchen basically, and I accidentally locked my computers in a wardrobe which is now closed with a plastic wrap, and it's all dusty and I cannot open it until the works are finished. And I'm going thrifting just to get out of this house because it's getting even more dirty here. So yeah, we're going thrifting.
There's someone outside that caught my eye. They said that girl in the pool. They said that girl in the pool. They said that girl in the pool. I don't know what to do. They said that girl in the pool.
dust is everywhere. It's very, very tiny, like very small pieces of dust. So it's like a very thin layer on every surface, and we have to re-clean it around 3 times on each surface. So yeah, for the last 3 days we've only been cleaning, and that's it. I hope that tomorrow it ends, because my room is the one we're doing tomorrow, hopefully, and today will be the last day of me sleeping on the floor in the kitchen, finally. Drinking coffee, having the last rest before I have to go back to work. I can't clean anymore. Seems like it's never-ending story. Never-ending story. I hope the next couple of days I will have time for myself, to finally watch something, to paint. At this point, I just can't anymore. I hope you see something at least. I'm all covered in like glue, and it's disastrous. The walls are falling off, and I have to glue them down back, and I can't. It's just all glue. Like, can you see my fingers? Like nails? I don't have nails anymore. And I hope that you hear something, because I'm using headphones. I just want to like end this all, and I have to clean all this room like in less than 6 hours. I still have to move this huge wardrobe, or shelf, I don't know, because under it there are huge chunks of cement and, I don't know, stones and bricks that were flying away from the wall when it was carved and when the windows were installed. So yeah, this huge part is left. Walls are left. I will have to clean walls under the windows, move the furniture back, and then do the floor once again. That's my maximum. It's like 100 maybe kilograms lighter than it was, and I still can't move it. I'm finally done. It's over, totally. The only thing left is just to clean the windows, like we do every spring, and to put everything back on its places. And that's basically it. Tomorrow is gonna be a great day. I just have to clean the windows, to do some stuff for my future vacations, to do all my checklists, because I wasn't able to even see them for like 4 days or something. And now I'm just gonna drink tea and go watch a TV series, finally.
zur Tür und ich nicht. Dein Lächeln spuckt mir ins Gesicht und du sagst, du brauchst mich schon lang nicht mehr. Unsere besten Zeiten sind jetzt wohl vorbei. Unsere besten Zeiten sind dir einerlei. Und du sagst, du willst alleine sein, alleine ohne mich. Und du sagst, ich soll nicht peinlich sein und weinst allein für dich. Und du sagst, ich soll nicht kleinlich sein und nimmst mein Sofa mit. Und du sagst, wir können doch Freunde bleiben und ich weine allein für mich.
I just need a little bit of rest. Made a huge stop and rest from all the training, from all the bicycle. And I used to drive all seasons, in autumn and winter, and now it's my 4th time on a bicycle, and it's already half of a summer away.